Okay, guys, we're going to ask Scruff. This one's for Casper. Salute to you, kid. And it's quite a simple question. So let me flick this over. Hope you had a great holiday and feeling refreshed. Well, I had a great holiday. I'm not so sure about refresh because I worked right the way through it. I'll be feeling refreshed when I go on the next one in May. And you're planning joining the small account with you guys, and you'll sort out account this weekend. Well done. Wanted to ask, do you have any tips for it? I've never traded a small account before, so I'm not sure to trade it differently than you usually trade. No, you shouldn't. My plan is to trade it on a weekend with Bitcoin, focus on the prop during the week. Curious what you think. Okay. Right. So the first thing is, should I trade it different? No. Trade it exactly the same as you would trade your other account. But just be very mindful of the size of the account. Now, you have no other choice but to take extra risk or investment on because it's small. We're starting with 200 quid in BlackBull. Now, what that means is you've got very limited room to move if something goes wrong. So keep your positions ultra low, 20 pence. So that'll allow you to split it in half, two 10p positions if you like. If you're on sort of the IG platform that's allowing micro trading, that will allow you to do 4p positions. But I like the BlackBull because it has better leverage. Okay. So that's the first thing. Treat it the same, but size just to the account itself. Now, you see, you're only going to trade it on a weekend, which is fine. I can kind of see that. But what I would say is don't try and catch up on a weekend. So say you're trading once a day. Essentially, that means you'll try and take 5 trades on a Saturday to catch up. I would kind of look at this from a different point of view. If you're trading Bitcoin, Bitcoin is 24/7. You can trade it right the way through the week. Why not just dedicate a little bit of time each day for it? I do it before I start my wage account at 9 a.m. each morning because I don't like trading London Opens. They're very dangerous, and only fools and dickheads try and take on the market on the open because they've got no clue which way it's going. So avoid that. But while you're waiting for it to come in, why not trade sort of, I don't know what time you go to work, but let's just say you leave the house at 8:30 on a morning. Well, you could trade between 6:30 and 7:30 just on Bitcoin. Set it up and just do one trade a day, just one. And if there's nothing there, there's nothing spoiling. Just see if there's something there, either when you get home, sort of, I don't know, it's pretty good around 11 o'clock at night, believe it or not. It's not bad between 8 to 9. And then on a Saturday, just do one trade on Saturday morning. Saturday is pretty slow, funny enough, but Sunday is pretty buoyant. Sunday afternoon is pretty good. So what I would suggest, it's a difficult question to answer because there's no right or wrong answer, but I would say you trade it with respect and assume that it's a massive account, so you will treat it as if it's a massive account. In other words, you're not going to go, it's only just 200 quid, fuck it, I'll just take a punt at it. It's only 20 pence, I'll take a punt at it. No, all these 20 pences add up. And if you do 10 pips, that's 2 quid. You do 2 quid every day, it's a tenner a week. At the end of the month, you got 40, 50 quid. You can buy a prop fund with that. Let the money work for you. And that's what I do. I harvest the profits all the time. So my advice, take it slow, but take it with respect. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.